In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo or image in Lovable.dev, Lovable AI guide. We'll walk through adding a logo or image to a page using the prompt interface. All you need is your chosen project open and your image file ready. Start by opening Lovable.dev and heading to the project you want to update. From your dashboard, select the project card to enter its workspace. Make sure you're on the correct project by checking the project title and preview area so the change lands in the right place. In the project workspace, look for the prompt section, the area where you type instructions to the AI that builds your app. Next to the prompt field, click the plus icon and choose Attach. This opens your file picker. Select the logo or image from your computer or drag and drop it into the uploader. You'll see the file appear as an attachment to your prompt. Wait a moment for it to finish uploading before you proceed. With the image attached, type a clear instruction so the page knows what to do with it. For example, you might say, add this logo to the site header on the left and link it to the home page. Or insert this image in the hero section centered at a medium size with rounded corners. The combination of the attachment and your instruction tells Lovable exactly where and how to place the asset. Clarity helps. Mention the section of the page, alignment, approximate size, and any styling, such as padding or background color. If accessibility matters to your project, include a short alt text description in your instruction. Transparent PNG or SVG works great for logos, while high-quality JPG or PNG is ideal for photos. If the first result isn't perfect, simply refine your instruction and submit again. Incremental adjustments usually get you to the exact placement you want. Once the instruction runs, review the preview. Confirm that the image displays crisply, links behave as expected, and spacing feels balanced across desktop and mobile breakpoints. If everything looks good, you're all set. If something is off, tweak your wording and run the prompt again until it matches your design. And that's it. You've added a logo or image to your Lovable project by attaching the file in the prompt section and giving a clear instruction. Nice work, and congratulations on the update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next guide.